Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the letter N from alphabet lore. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's start off by drawing a long vertical line down on the left side. Then from the top, let's curve it over to the right, and the same at the bottom. Now from the top, let's angle it down and to the right, stopping about here. And then let's add another angle underneath. And then add a curve at the top of this line. Now from the bottom line, let's bring it up and then over. Now let's hop over to the bottom and let's draw another curve over to the right. Now from that top diagonal line, let's step up and let's draw a vertical line up. Curve it over to the right again. And then close off the right side. And that's it for the shape of the letter N. Now let's add the eyes. On the top left, let's draw a rounded rectangle overlapping the edge. And then let's erase the overlapping line inside. Now let's draw the right eye in the same way over here, but slightly lower. Now inside each eye, let's add a small square. And then color both squares in black. And that's it for the letter N. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!